Last summer, I knelt in a cornfield outside Fargo that has been planted with the same crop and tilled in the conventional way for over a decade. I scooped up a handful of soil. To most people, that is just dirt. But under a microscope, that single handful can hold thousands of different microbial species. Most of them are rare, found nowhere else, each doing a job that no other organism can do. My research asks a simple question. What happens to those rare microbes when we farm our lands in the same way everywhere all the time? The short answer, modern farming is quietly erasing them, blending them into more of the same, and that should worry all of us. Think of a soil community like a toolbox. A few common tools such as a hammer, a screwdriver can handle most of our everyday jobs. But tucked in the back are specialty tools you barely notice, things built for one narrow but critical task. In soil, those specialty tools are the rare microbes. They fix nitrogen, break down pollutants, and defend crops from diseases. When we plant the same crop for miles, till hard, and blanket fields with fertilizers and pesticides, we're slowly tossing those specialty tools out of the box, farm after farm, until every toolbox starts to look the same. I collected data on microbial communities from nearly 1,500 soil samples from farms across 5 continents. The pattern was strikingly consistent, as in the picture below. The more intensively a farm was managed, be it through tillage or grazing or pesticides or fertilizers, the fewer these rare microbes survived, and microbes started to look more of the same. This kind of sameness is what we call microbial homogenization, and that could reshape soil communities across more than 85% of the world's farmlands. Here is why that matters. When a few rare microbes disappear, the empty niches don't just stay empty. Other microbes can move in, and so can plant pathogens. Farmers respond with more fertilizers and more pesticides, which only speeds up the cycle. We end up needing more inputs to grow the same amount of food on soils that are becoming decreasingly resilient. So, next time you picture healthy soils, don't just picture dirt. Picture that toolbox and ask whether we are protecting the rare tools inside it. If you need to cut a piece of wood but everyone has a hammer, we are out of luck. Protecting the rarest, quietest members of the soil community might be one of the most important things we can do to keep feeding a growing planet.